Here's the Toyota Previa cylinder head that has been cleaned, resurfaced, reseated. This valve just had been taken out and cleaned the seat and reinstalled again. It's nice and clean now. And compression, the pressure tested as well. Yeah, nice and clean. And between here there are no cracks, no crack whatsoever, so ready to be installed. I'm about to put a new cylinder head in this block here. Previously this engine had blown head gasket. I had taken the head out and resurfaced it and cleaned everything. And now I'm going to reinstall it, the same cylinder head. It's been checked out, all good. And right now I'm putting in the head gasket. Okay, nice and clean. Next, I'm going to put the head in. I'm not gonna finish, show everything, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I put in the cylinder head and just put in 1 or 2 bolts, and that's it. Just make it short. I have a new cylinder head here, and there you go. And put it in just like that. Bolt. 2 bolts. And really, that's it. That's the new cylinder head is in. See how easy it is? I'll put in the head and the rest of the bolt. I'm just going to quickly tie it down with this. Still a few more steps to do yet. I still have to torque it down and then go through all the steps before this is done. But right now, just basically I'm going to put the head in. I want to show you guys how easy it is. I'm missing 1 head bolt here, but I'll finish that up later. Okay. This step I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to show you how I do the torquing down these head bolt. The first set of torque. There's only 1 set of torque. The initial torque is 29 foot-pound, which I already reset here on my torque wrench. So 29 foot-pound in all of the head bolt. I'm not gonna go straight to 29 foot-pound yet. Just want to make sure they are evenly tight before I torque it down. Now I'm going to torque it down. This is 29 foot-pound. There. I've done this so many times. I probably remember every single step with my eyes closed and every torque. Let me double check it. 29 foot-pound. That's the first initial torque, and then the rest, 2 more steps to do. It'll be 90, 90, and then we're done with installing cylinder head bolt. But for now, that'll be the next step. Cheers, have fun with yours.